Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some game-changing construction and renovation tools that are setting new standards in efficiency and quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional in the field, these innovative products will help you complete your projects faster and with greater precision. Stick around, and let's explore the future of construction together. Introducing the Facade Key Lick System, an innovative solution for facade cladding that combines ease of installation and an aesthetic appearance. This system is designed for fast and reliable fastening of facade panels without visible fasteners, which provides a smooth and modern surface of the building. A special feature of Facade Click is the use of hidden fasteners, allowing you to install panels without the need for drilling or screws. Introducing the Facade Key Lick System, an innovative solution for facade cladding that combines ease of installation and an aesthetic appearance. This system is designed for fast and reliable fastening of facade panels without visible fasteners, which provides a smooth and modern surface of the building. A special feature of Facade Click is the use of hidden fasteners, allowing you to install panels without the need for drilling or screws. This significantly speeds up the installation process and reduces the risk of damaging the cladding material. In addition, the system provides natural ventilation of the facade, preventing moisture accumulation and extending the service life of the structure. Facade Click is widely used in the construction of residential and commercial buildings, where installation speed and high aesthetic requirements are important. Introducing Trimaco Easy Mask Carpet and Hard Surface Protective Films, a reliable solution for temporary protection during renovations or construction. Carpet film has a non-slip surface and is resistant to tears and punctures, effectively protecting against dirt, spills, and heavy traffic. Hard surface film is designed to protect materials such as tiles, marble, countertops, and appliances. Its durable structure is resistant to tears, abrasions, and punctures, providing reliable protection for up to 30 days. Reverse roll-up facilitates quick application, and removal leaves no sticky residue. We present the insulation of foundations with EcoSpray Therm Closed Cell Foam, a modern solution ensuring excellent thermal insulation and waterproofing of buildings. Polyurethane foam with a closed cell structure effectively protects foundations against moisture, mold, and fungi, while minimizing heat loss. One of the main advantages of this method is the creation of a uniform, seamless insulating layer that adheres perfectly to the surface, eliminating thermal bridges. Thanks to this, the foundations are better protected against external factors, which translates into a longer life of the structure. Additionally, closed-cell foam is characterized by high compressive strength, which increases the stability of the foundations. The process of applying EcoSpray Therm Foam is quick and effective. The material is applied by spraying, which allows for precise coverage of even hard-to-reach places. After application, the foam hardens quickly, creating a durable coating that is resistant to mechanical damage. It is also worth emphasizing that the foam is a self-extinguishing material. It does not mold, rot, or oxidize, which ensures long-term protection of the foundations. Introducing Stone Clip, a patented mechanical fixing system for wall cladding with natural stone and large format panels. These high-quality stainless steel clips provide a secure fixation of cladding materials in a vertical position, creating a strong and durable structure. One of the key advantages of Stone Clip is the variety of sizes and variants to suit different weights and sizes of stone. The smallest clip, 5 mm thick, can withstand a load of up to 10 kilograms, while the largest models are used to hold stone panels weighing over 400 kilograms, such as in the Anzac Walk project in Adelaide. The Stone Clip system is widely used in commercial and residential construction, including facade cladding, internal walls and ceilings. Its versatility allows the fixings to be used both indoors and outdoors, even in high humidity conditions or over water surfaces. Thanks to the concealed installation, Stone Clip provides an aesthetically pleasing appearance without visible fasteners. Introducing Maxit Mortar Pad, an innovative solution for bricklaying, known as the Smart Wall, Die Schlauer Mauer. This product is a pre-made pad made of lightweight, thin-layer mortar, reinforced with a glass fiber mesh, which significantly simplifies and speeds up the construction process. The main advantage of Maxit Mortar Pad is its ease of use. There is no need to mix mortar or clean tools. Simply place the pad on a row of bricks, moisten it, and you can immediately lay the next row. This ensures uniform distribution of the mortar and high-quality masonry. In addition, the use of Mortar Pad helps to reduce water consumption on the construction site and reduces the amount of construction waste, making this product more environmentally sustainable compared to traditional masonry methods. Roberts Deluxe Carpet. Knee Kicker is a professional tool designed to stretch carpets and ensure their secure fixation. It has an adjustable length from 17 to 21 inches, which allows you to adapt the tool to the needs of the user, made of high-quality cast aluminum, which ensures lightness and durability. The pin depth adjustment allows you to precisely control the tension of the carpet, which is important for obtaining a quality result. This tool is ideal for carpet professionals, providing high productivity and durability in use. Roof tile installation using polyurethane glue. This is an effective method that provides a strong and good base. The process is carried out with the following explanation. The power is removed from the dirt as leveled. At the end of the day, polyurethane glue is added, which is very easy to do, forming a strong base for the tiles. After this is laid, the tiles are attached to the glue that is not welded. Inexpensive chain and external air transport device. This method is extremely effective for small children, even if it is snowy. The design is designed to provide thermal insulation protection. Stamped concrete molds are special molds used to give the texture and pattern of natural materials such as stone, brick or wood to concrete surfaces. These molds are especially preferred in seamless, concrete stamp molds, garden walls and stone-patterned concrete applications. The use of molds allows the desired pattern to be obtained with a suitable pressure while the concrete is still fresh after casting. This method creates aesthetically rich and durable surfaces. The use of stamped concrete molds reduces costs in construction and landscaping projects, while providing visual richness by imitating the appearance of natural materials. Bubble deck is an innovative construction technology that is a system of hollow concrete slabs with integrated plastic balls that eliminate non-load-bearing concrete mass from the neutral axis of the slab. This results in a significant reduction in the dead weight of the structure without compromising strength and rigidity. The plastic balls are held in place by reinforcement, creating a strong and lightweight structure. This approach allows for thinner and lighter slabs, which reduces material and transportation costs and speeds up the construction process. Bubble deck is used in a variety of construction projects, including residential and commercial buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. Eurobrick cladding systems include various options such as X-clad for external walls, I-clad for internal spaces, P-clad for ventilated facades, and V-clad for budget projects. Each system is designed to meet specific requirements and operating conditions, ensuring high energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. The company offers a wide range of brick tiles, including the Britannia and Classic collections, as well as various types of stone tiles. These materials are available in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing you to choose the optimal solution for any project. Slimfort facade insulation is an innovative system with 6 key benefits for facade insulation. Firstly, it provides excellent thermal insulation thanks to the high-quality EPS, expanded polystyrene panels, which contributes to an energy-efficient building. The system is structurally approved, which means that it meets the required building standards and contributes to the structural integrity of the building. In addition, Slimfort complies with fire safety standards, which contributes to the overall safety of the building. The system is better in terms of construction physics due to the moisture-resistant and vapor-open properties of EPS, which prevents condensation and maintains the insulation value. Slimfort is also designed with the environment in mind, with materials that are reusable and recyclable, which contributes to a more sustainable construction process. Finally, the sustainable construction ensures low maintenance costs, which increases the cost-effectiveness of the project. The new 99EY Mansaver Post Driver is a pneumatic tool designed to efficiently drive fence posts up to 2/8 inches in diameter, commonly used for chain-link fences. It operates on any small air compressor, delivering at least 3.5 CFM at 80 psi, ensuring versatility and ease of use. The driver features a heavy-duty construction, delivering 75 strokes per minute, which significantly speeds up the post-installation process. Weighing 34 pounds, it is portable and suitable for various fencing applications. The 99EY model comes with a maximum round sleeve and is compatible with adapters for different post shapes and sizes, enhancing its versatility. Thanks for watching. We hope you found today's tools and products as exciting as we did. Whether you're updating your home's facade, tackling renovations, or looking for innovative construction solutions, these products are sure to make your job easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in construction and DIY tools. Until next time, keep building smarter and better.